decisions. Decisions are really important. Everybody should have decision making skills in their life. It helps us a lot.
Varsha, slow
Yes,
down.
ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I mean, you just
Uh,
started
y-
speaking again, like what you should do. Hello, good evening, everyone. So today, as we are talking
yes.
about a very important topic, it is decision, right? फिर जो आप
Yes.
whatever
Yes, ma'am.
sentences you're speaking, no, these are good. That's not a problem with that. But the way you are
Yes. Yes,
delivering
ma'am.
it is so basic. I mean, the voice modulation should be there.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Today I'm going to speak about about the best decision of my life. First of all, decision helps us to get success, and our success depend upon our decision, and everybody should have decision skills in their life. Uh, Now I'm going to speak about the best decision of my life. The best decision of my life is doing MBA. I was really confused when I was doing my graduation, ma'am. I was confused because my parents are forcing me to to prepare for government exams, and I really don't want to prepare go for government exams. I want to work in a corporate society because I think that, ma'am, corporate society, in corporate culture, we learn so many things. There are many growth opportunities in corporate sector as compared to government sector, and there is more competition in government sector, I think, and that's why I chose MBA, and I learned so many things from MBA, like professionalism, how to behave, how to present yourself, and uh, and that's it, ma'am. So
Mm-hmm, Varsha.
hello.
Yeah, I was expecting more from you, no? Okay.
Yes.
Varsha, the one thing you speak so
And
fast, right? You need to slow down.
yes, ma'am.
That's
Actually, अभी practice नहीं हो पा रही थी, इसलिए
I understand,
sorry,
but
ma'am.
you need to slow down this first.
Yes,
Second,
ma'am. Ma'am,
see, there are many
I get hesitate.
decisions.
Yes, when I speak,
Yeah, as
I'm
I
getting
told you,
nervous.
you can take the benefit of this topic and you can speak as much as possible. You should have told that.
Yes, yes,
See, there are many
yes,
decisions in our lives. I mean, we take many decisions about our marriage, about the shift, like you're going to shift any other city or something, and about your
yes,
career. And a career is the most important thing. It plays very important thing
yes,
in a role in our lives. So I
yes,
took that decision because I know that if I'm going to do something which I'm not interested in, I can't give my best into
yes,
that. So I took the
yes,
decision what my heart was telling me to take that because I knew that if I'm taking the decision by my own, I'm going to do something which I want to do it. I can give my best
yes,
into that. And everyone should follow this thing because you can't give
yes,
your best in the thing. You can't get success in something which you are doing
yes,
because you
yes,
are
ma'am.
being
I
forced
want
by
to
the
add
people.
some more points. Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
because you are being
I want to.
forced by other people only. That's why you're taking decision. You can't get success in particular area, right? So these are the things
Yes,
which you
yes,
can add in your presentation and speak more about it.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I prepared so
You were in
many things,
rush
but
that time,
I'm
Varsha.
yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I will improve. Like,
Yeah.
yes,
Take
I will improve.
pause,
Like,
calm
yes.
down. Yeah, calm down. Take pause. Interact with the student people. You could have like see when you're क्या होता है ना कि when you're giving presentation, so whenever I'm giving feedbacks to everyone, just when Supriya gave
Yes,
feedbacks to Supriya,
yes,
I'm giving feedbacks to you. So in between, I'll give you many points key that you can improve your presentation next time. The first most
yes,
important
ma'am.
thing is to introduce yourself first. Right?
Yes,
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Supriya. My name is Varsha, and I'm doing
oh,
this, and I'm going to discuss about the best decision of my life, which I took. Right? Fira, then you can start your speaking something like this.
yes, ma'am. I will improve, ma'am.
Yeah.
Next time, I will give my best.
Hmm. Next, who is going to speak?
Ma'am,
Sure, Akansha.
my voice is audible now?
Yeah, your voice is audible.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I start?
Yeah, Akansha, you can start.
Okay, okay, sorry, sir. As we all know, decision is a very important part of everyone's life. People make a,
Everyone's
people make
life.
in everyone's life. People make decision in every single day, whether they know it is correct or not. After that, they have to regret on it. Like it is happening same with me when I am class 10th. No, when I am class in 10th, I have to choose.
When I was in 10th class,
When I was in 10th class, I am in a dilemma that whether I
Akansha,
which
Akansha,
subject I.
past grammar was were, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. And calm down, relax.
Which, no, ma'am. I okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, shall I start again?
Yeah.
As we all know, decision is a very important part of everyone's life, and people make a decision in every single day, whether they know it's a wrong or right decision. Like when I was in 10th, when I was in uh, 11th standard, I have to choose my subject
I had to
between
choose.
my subject.
I had to. You're using present grammar, right? Grammar right now. You need to use past grammar. Was,
Yeah,
were, hope
yeah,
to.
ma'am. I know I have to use, but I forget when I speak. That's the
No
problem.
issue with that. You have just started and it's your second day, I guess, today. So that's okay.
Okay.
Means I'm here to stop you there. So next time you're
Huh.
not making
I
mistakes.
have to. I had to choose my. Okay, I had to choose my decision about my subject, whether in PCB and in commerce. My parents want to be a doctor. Want to be to me. I am a doctor. They
My
suggesting me
parents,
that I
my
should.
Akansha, my parents
Yes, ma'am.
wanted me to become a doctor.
Yeah, my parents wanted me to be a doctor, and they suggesting me to take a PCV, but I'm not at all interested to take biology because my parents, I got 92 marks in science, so they think that if I got in board exam, so then how why shouldn't I have to take matlab, I haven't why shouldn't I have left that opportunity to take a doctor, but I couldn't at all interested. And my friends also suggesting me to take a bio, but after that I starting I starting searching about biology field to what should I had to done. So I start searching. Then I had to call my teacher, in my class teacher. They are suggesting me to take a biology because they know na I'm which type of student put my potential they know. But my heart is not really interested to take a biology. So after that I take a commerce, and I'm not regretting anymore to take a commerce. That's
That's it, Akansha.
I'm done.
Okay. Yeah. That's okay, Akansha. That was good. You tried very well. But Akansha, in your complete presentation, you were making the grammatical mistake that you were using present grammar, which you should have used past grammar, right? Ism are, and you were not using was, were, and verb second form. These kind of mistakes were there in your presentation today, which you need to overcome. And you were in rush, you were so fast, right? So you need to overcome these things, and we'll discuss more about it later on. Right, Akansha?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, next who is going to speak? Khushbu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go on, Khushbu.
Ma'am, sorry, but I don't have like that much content.
You're not having content. I mean, what you're having, any kind of decision you're having in your life which you took, and means you're not having any decision of your life which you took by yourself, and means you're regretting on that or you're not regretting on the decision.
Yes, like I do, but I'm confused. Like, how can I address everything?
Just means other people have already done that, no? Like you can start that. The best decision of my life uh, was that I think this was the best decision of my life, and these were the circumstances, and that's why I had to take that decision. Whatever you want to say about your decision, come on, Khushbu, you have to try. Otherwise, you will skip the topic of the day.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so I'll try.
Hmm.
Okay, am I audible enough, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hello, friends. I'm going to share my views on the topic of best decision of my life. I hope you guys will cooperate me and didn't get bored. So, if I talk about my decision, earlier it was depend on my family. Whatever they have said to me to do, I follow them blindly. Like I was so I was so like poor to take decision. I don't want to get loose. I don't want to get loose or like to lost in somewhere. I don't want to be a failure. So I just depend. I I let them. I let the decision on my parents or let the decision on my
You're
friends.
talking about
So
past incidents, right?
yeah, ma'am.
So I used to, or I would let them to take my decisions because I didn't want to lose anything.
Okay, ma'am. So I would let my decision depend on let the decision on my parents, on my friends, because I don't want to be an failure. I didn't want to be an failure. But after that, after completing my graduation, I realized that this is not enough. I have not completed anything. I didn't find myself in a right path. Like what I want. I wanted to be a person who really was to be a person who have enough to achieve the goals. Like I wanted to be a traveler. I wanted to learn dance, but but this is what I have not learned from my family. They never teach me. They never taught me. They never taught me to, yes, you can go for the dance, like you can go for the traveling. They asked me that you have to focus on your study only. So I realized that this is not enough. I need to take my decision on my hand. So I can say that this is most important, that your decision should be depend on you, not in anyone else. So that is my best decision of my life, that I I took in command on my decision. So I started pursuing I started learning English. I started learning on accounts, that so that I was able to that I was able to get the job in good company. So I have struggled hard. I have learned so many things to be a part
So
of
I
good
would be
company.
able to,
Sorry,
I would be able to.
I would be able to be a do to be a part of good company. So eventually I got hired. I got hired in that company. So I'm working for that. But this is not enough. I need to take so many decisions ahead to achieve my goal and to be a good person. That's it.
Yeah, Khushbu. Um, Today, like after listening to you for 4 to 5 times today, I found that you're making so many mistakes in grammar. Why? So I don't know. Like in the beginning, when in one or two presentations, you were not that much. You were not making that much mistakes, but today you have made many mistakes in your grammar. So what happens now? Like it is for everyone. When I listen to you for first, second, I don't get that much idea. Okay, how these people are speaking and how much they know and how much they need to know. But when I listen to you for third time, for fourth time, so I come to know about your weaknesses. So that is the thing. That's why I'm listening to you every day for some beginning, like for 4 to 5 times. that so I can come on the conclusion ki what I need to plan, how I need to plan your course, and how I need to go on with that. So as I have noted down, ki first I need to teach them ki how to give the best presentation. What are the ways to start your presentation? What are the ways to start your speaking? Which we will definitely discuss this week only by tomorrow, right? So, and some people are making grammatical mistakes which they need to overcome. Second thing, and like grammatical mistakes would be corrected gradually. When you're speaking, I'll stop you there, I'll correct you there. But if you're making many mistakes, so yes, I have to stop myself. And at the end of this, your presentation, I need to tell you, okay, you were making so many mistakes which you need to overcome, and we need to discuss something after the class, right? We can't take the so much time in the class because other people are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Khushbu, it was okay. It was not good. It was not that much good as you used to give the presentation, as I have listened to you for first or second time, but that was not your best presentation today.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Right? Means you have given some good presentations. I have listened to you. You spoke so well, but today it was not good. That much good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shubham, can I listen to you in the next session?
Sure, ma'am. Is I audible, ma'am? Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, Shubham.
So, ma'am, you want to listen me now or next session?
Shubham, give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, Shubham, I will listen to you in the next session. You're going to attend
Okay,
the
ma'am.
next session, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if it is important to you, you will find the way. If not, you will find an excuse. What is the meaning of this thought?
अगर जरूरी है तो आप रास्ता ढूंढ लेते हैं, नहीं तो आप excuse.
Excuses बनाने लगता है.
Yeah, it means other people also can give the meaning of about this thought in their own way. Yeah, what is the meaning of this thought? You have just converted in Hindi. Anybody else wants to try this?
Ma'am, if we want to do something, we find a way. Otherwise, we will always give a excuse.
Excuse.
Not impressed by this answer. Akansha, you're just repeating what is already written over there. You need to make us understand what is the meaning of this thought, and you can put an example also. See, by this you're just learning ki how to whenever you're giving presentation, whenever you're talking about any topic, so you can't just need to give your means what answer in one sentence. You're just explaining, you're just giving the answer. You should put some example there. You should first put some information there. So make it a little impressive and effective, and how to make other people understand about your topic and about your opinion. ऐसे बोलकर आपको छोड़ना नहीं है, आपको उसको इतने इस तरीके से बताना है कि अच्छा स्पीकर कौन होता है, जो अपनी बात को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से दूसरों तक पहुंचाता है. यू आर जस्ट रिपीटिंग द थॉट विच इज ऑलरेडी रिटन ओवर देयर. Yeah, Supriya, Varsha, Khushbu, you want to try?
If something is important for you, like some goal is very important for you in your life, so for that goal, you find your way by yourself. And if something is not important, I mean, if you are not interested in that goal, or some that decision or something, so maybe you will started making excuses.
You will start making excuses, right? Yes, somewhere. True. If we put an example here, so the example would be if somebody is in the hospital, I mean, from your family, like our most close person is in the hospital or something, what would you do? क्या करेंगे आप? Will you go to hospital to see him?
Yes, maybe
Yeah, ma'am.
if we think that if it is important,
The person, it is our family member. The person is our family member.
then
Anyone,
yes,
I'm taking this.
then it is important.
It's very important. Maybe the person is
Very
our
important.
mother or father or anybody else, our brother.
Yes,
So is it important? It is very
at that
important to
time we
go to
will
the
not make
hospital
excuses.
and
Yes,
see him, right? You can't hold yourself until
yes,
you see the person, ki how the person is, right?
yes,
And
yes.
if the
Right.
curfew is there outside, what will you do?
We will not go. We will not go out.
We will find the way, ma'am, because it's
Seriously,
very
if my
important to
father,
us.
like
If it is,
like
it is
we are talking about our
We will
father, mother, our
discuss.
brother, and the curfew is
curfew.
there outside.
Okay, then also we will find a way, ma'am.
You will
We
find the
will
way.
find
You'll
another way.
find the way.
Yes,
वो
yes,
रास्ता आप ढूंढ ही निकालोगे कैसे भी. If the curfew is
yes,
there, police are there, whatever the reason, whatever thing, you can't hold yourself. Why? Because you can't keep
yes,
your
yes,
emotions right. The thing you can't hold your whole horses. You will find the way. Ki, anyhow, I need to go there. I will talk to the police, or I will find somebody who will set some jack or something to the police, and anyhow I need to reach the hospital. I want to see him. Until I see him, I can't.
yes,
Means I can't sit at home. I can't sit at home like this. I
yes.
can't
We
eat.
will
I
not make
can't.
excuse
Right?
at the
आप
time.
खाना नहीं खा पाएंगे. आप कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे. You can't do anything. You can't. What bring your interest in any activity? Why? Because you're so messed up. You're so tensed up. How the person is. So this is something which is important. अगर आपका goal ऐसा ही है आपकी life में, so करने के लिए आप like until you what achieve your goal, you can't do anything. You can't sit relax, right? So this is something you find the way to achieve that goal. If the goal is not important for you, you're lazy and you're not having that determination, you're not having that courage to do that particular thing, you will find an excuse. अगर आपके लिए आपको नहीं पता है उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस की, आप अगर आपकी जिंदगी में आप कुछ नहीं बन पाए या वो मुकाम हासिल आप नहीं कर पाए, तो आगे जाके आप क्या आंसर करने वाले हैं लोगों को? If you know the importance, you will find the way. If you don't know the importance, if you're lazy or something else, the reason is you will find an excuse to do that. बस आपको कोई वर्क मिलता है करने के लिए, कोई प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है करने के लिए, एंड यू जस्ट प्रोकास्टिनेट द थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन. आप प्रोकास्टिनेट करते हैं, आप उसको टालते रहते हैं. व्हाट विल यू गेट? यू आर जस्ट मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस ऑन
Making
दिस.
excuses.
So this is something. So always put an example whenever. आप ये सबसे अच्छा जो note down करना है आपको, which you need to note down whenever you're giving presentation, whenever you're giving any opinion, always put some examples. Always put some facts and figures. अगर आपके facts and figures आपको पता है उस topic के बारे में, आप उसके facts and figures जरूर उसमें डालिए. Examples जरूर put कीजिए. आप जो भी चीज लोगों को समझाना चाहते हैं, वो लोग examples के बगैर आप नहीं समझा पाएंगे, और वो उतनी effective आपकी communication नहीं रहेगी if you're not having examples in your speaking, if you're not having examples in your presentation. So next time when you're giving presentation, put examples, put facts and figures if you know, right? और फिर कोई incident put, like वो example में ही आ जाते हैं, and like this you're going to be good at that. Okay, so what is the meaning of adverse?
Opposite.
Opposite what, Shubham?
विपरीत में किसी चीज के,
कैसे
मतलब
यूज
किसी चीज
करते
को
हैं
उल्टा
हम?
कर देना, लाइक adverse, like his nature is adverse.
एडवर्स मतलब विपरीत सिचुएशन, जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट की थी उससे
as a
विपरीत
situation के
सिचुएशन
लिए.
जो रहती है तो एडवर्स होती है, राइट? मतलब द सिचुएशन, एडवर्स सिचुएशन.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, anybody else knows the proper meaning of this and want to try any sentence on that?
when I go there, the situation is very adverse. The situation is adverse. What I expect, what I'm not expecting.
या मतलब सिचुएशन आपके फेवर में ना होना, मतलब हम इसको नेगेटिव वे में यूज करते हैं कि कोई विपरीत विरुद्ध
ma'am.
सिचुएशन होना. अब आपकी सिचुएशन विपरीत कब होगी? जब आपने कुछ पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्ट किया होगा और कोई आपको उसके अपोजिट सिचुएशन आपको मिली होगी. दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवर्स. अपोजिट इज अ वर्ड which can be used in the positive and negative way. But adverse is a word which can be used in a negative way only.
Yes, ma'am.
Unacceptable or unfavorable situations, we tell that unfavorable situations, we call it adverse situation. Yeah, any example you want to give on that?
Ma'am, coronavirus has adversely affected the economy.
Nice, very nice. This is really a nice sentence. Yeah. I thought कि by making him understand about the situation, he would understand and he would cooperate. But he was having it was having the adverse impact on him. It was having the adverse impact. What effect? क्या बोलेंगे? Adverse impact on him, right? वो उसके ऊपर उल्टा impact पड़ा उसका.
Yes, ma'am.
We can say that when Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide is also adverse impact on Bollywood.
It is.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Yeah, we can use it.
Yes.
I was expecting some positive outcomes, but the situation was adverse. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
आप कुछ positive outcomes expect कर रहे थे, but the situation थी वो उससे उल्टी थी. और कुछ I thought my father would understand the situation, but it was having an adverse effect. It was having an adverse effect. Even he had stopped me to go out after listening about the situation. So anything which is having an adverse effect means effect which is having, like, you were expecting something favorable, you were expecting something positive, but you had an adverse effect of that particular situation. So you can use that word adverse there. Okay. Lesson.
कम
छोटा
करना
या
ma'am.
कम.
कम करना.
Yes, it is a verb. So how you are going to use it?
Ma'am, we should invest in mutual fund to lessen the risk.
Nice, very nice. By taking some of the responsibilities, you have lessened my burden. By taking some of the responsibilities, you have lessened my burden. You lessened my parents' stress by telling them that you will be there throughout the journey with me. Right? You lessened my parents' burden when you told them that you will be there throughout the journey. You would be there throughout the journey with me. Yeah, anyone else wants to try any sentence? See, guys, you're not trying any sentence. You're not going to remember the words. आप उसको याद नहीं रख पाएंगे, believe me. If you want to speak good English, if you want to speak fluent English, you need to have some good vocabulary. You need to have good phrases, and these things will not be worked out if you're not using it properly. If you're using it here, आप इसे class में use कर रहे हैं, आप sentences बना रहे हैं, so I can listen to you. If you're making any wrong sentence, if you're not able to take the word in your sentence, so I'm here to help you. मैं आपको help कर सकती हूँ.
You could lessen the risk with taking good decisions in your life.
I didn't get your sentence properly.
Yes, ma'am. You can lessen the risk by taking good decisions in your life.
By taking good decisions in your life. ठीक है, you can use it.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is shirk. Akansha, Khushbu, Supriya, you need to unmute your microphone and you need to use some sentences. You need to try some sentences here. Yeah, shirk. Anybody knows the
शक मैम
word shirk?
एक तरीके से मैम दौड़ना होता है ना मैम, जैसे
No,
you
shirk
can
means yeah, Khushbu?
किसी सिचुएशन से भागना या फिर छुपना
Yeah, Varsha.
मतलब
True. Yes,
like
you're really close to it, this word. True. कि हमें किसी भी सिचुएशन से भागना, किसी चीज को अवॉइड
करना
करना, right? Because you're being lazy, right? और
कामचोर
isn't कामचोर हो
नहीं
रहे
काम
हैं, आपको नहीं करना है, या फिर the something is little laborious, something is very arduous, कुछ थोड़ा सा tough काम है या थोड़ा hard working काम है, so you want to try, you don't want to try the particular work, so you are trying to shirk your something. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से, या फिर आप अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को समझते नहीं हैं, so you want to you try to shirk your responsibilities, you try to shirk your duties. तो shirk means जी चुराना, भागना किसी सिचुएशन से, because you don't want to do that. So I never
yes ma'am.
shirk my duties. I never shirk my duties, right? If somebody is blaming you, somebody is telling you something, so you can say that कि नहीं, I never shirk my duties. मैं कभी अपनी duties से नहीं भागता हूँ. Yeah, I never shirk my responsibilities. जब मेरी अपनी खुद की जो responsibilities हैं, I always fulfill them. I always stand on them. I never shirk my duties and responsibilities.
yes
And whenever I'm called to give my services, I'm always there to give them. I never shirk my duties, right? Like this, you can use this word. Anybody else wants to try this?
I used to shirk my duties when I was not mature.
When I was not mature enough.
Yes ma'am. When I was not mature enough.
Yeah, any other sentence? Come on. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, like people try to shirk doing something. I mean, वो पूरे दिन या तो अपने रूम में बैठे रहेंगे, टीवी देखते रहेंगे, या बुक खोलकर बैठे रहेंगे, just because they want to avoid, they want to shirk the particular work, right? So you can use
Like
this
we can
word
say that
here.
ma'am, we can say that I'm matlab I often shirk when someone beating around the bush in front of me.
Someone beats around. अरे तो शुभम कोई मतलब निकलना चाहिए ना, मतलब कोई इंसान फालतू बातें कर रहा है तो मैं शक करता हूँ, मैं जी चुराता हूँ, अवॉइड करता हूँ
मैं वहां
सिचुएशन
से
दिस.
मैम ये बोल सकते हैं क्या? We cannot cope up with our problems being shook
By shirking from them.
by shirking.
It's a verb.
Okay.
Or she sits in the room and she just pretends to study whole day because she wants to shirk her work, right? Household work. Right? We can use it like this. हम इसको ऐसे भी use कर सकते हैं. She sits in a room and she just pretends to that she's studying whole day because she wants to shirk from her household work.
Ma'am, I used to shirk my classes.
Okay. He used to come late at night because he wanted to shirk from his responsibilities. He didn't want to take his children out. He didn't want to give time to his children. That's why he tried to shirk his responsibilities
ma'am
towards
ma'am
it.
shirk is always ma'am shirk is always we are using in negative way. We
हाँ, of
cannot
course,
use
जी
it
चुराना,
on
किसी चीज से
positive way.
भागना, when you are like being irresponsible for something, so that's why इसलिए हम shirk को use करते हैं.
So we can't say that I am shirking from bad situations. Yeah. ऐसा
नहीं,
कुछ.
फिर नॉर्मली नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में यूज किया जाता है, व्हेन जी चुराना और भागना
Okay
की
ma'am.
सिचुएशन से, इस तरीके से,
Okay ma'am.
राइट? पर्सपेक्टिव.
पर्सपेक्टिव वो एक तरीके से हम किसी का मैम अपना योजना टाइप का कुछ
देखने
होना.
का व्यू.
Yes, नजरिया.
perception में
नजरिया.
Perception, true. You can say
perception.
perception, perspective, right?
Yes, everybody have different
The word
perspective ma'am.
approach
Yes.
also, like my approach towards this topic, my perspective. आप बोलते हैं कि आपको कोई जीडी करने को मिलती है, आपको कोई डिबेट करने को मिलता है, and you can say this कि see, my approach towards this topic is this. my opinion about this topic is this, my perspective about this topic is this. So there are many words which you can use, right? आप कितने सारे words हैं
In
जो
Hindi, we can say that
different
ma'am,
use कर सकते हैं?
drishtikod.
Yes. Fond of?
Yes, in Hindi drastic.
शौकीन
शौकीन होना.
Shocking, yes.
True.
I'm
How
fond,
you're
Yes,
going
ma'am.
yes.
to
Fond of.
Fond of?
I'm fond of chocolates.
I'm fond of chocolates.
I'm fond
Okay.
of chocolates.
I'm fond of expensive bikes.
Okay.
No. I'm
I'm
also
fond
fond
of
of.
traveling. I'm fond of listening to music. I'm fond
Also
of
fond of.
what?
Also fond of to riding by my
So
bike.
whenever, yes, so how you're
Fond of
going
to.
to use this, true. So how you're going to use this, आप कैसे use कर रहे हैं? Whenever somebody asks you about your likes, dislikes, right? तो आप उसको fond of की, आप उसको ऐसे बोले कि I like this, instead of using I like a basic word there, you can use that fond of. आप fond of का use कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे. See, I'm not very fond of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
thing. आपसे कोई बोलता है कि do you like to do this? No, I'm not very fond of this thing. इतना fond of नहीं हूँ, इतना शौकीन नहीं हूँ मैं उस चीज को करने का. So means how you're going to change your basic words into that advanced words into that different words, and that will make your communication more effective and impressive. Take these words and phrases seriously guys. ये आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. जैसे मैं आपको भी प्रेजेंटेशन में समझा रही थी, आपने मुझसे पूछा कि मैम देन व्हाट वुड बी द वेज टू स्टार्ट माय प्रेजेंटेशन, राइट? So when we discuss these vocabulary, when we discuss these phrases, now so these things will help you to make your presentation better, डिफरेंट, इम्प्रेसिव, इफेक्टिव, राइट? ये आपको हेल्प करेंगे, ये वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस ही आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन बेटर बनाने के लिए. इन नो टाइम,
बहुत ही कम समय में.
हाँ,
कुछ समय में.
in no time, like see, 200 books sold out in no time. लाइक कैसे कब बोल रहे हैं आप इसको कि हमें पता भी नहीं चला, बहुत ही कम समय में 200 बुक्स सोल्ड हो गई, इस तरीके से. So 200 books sold out in no time. Or which sentence you want to give it here? एक तो हमने वो भी पढ़ा था, राइट? लाइक क्या, एट द ड्रॉप ऑफ अ हैट, इमीडिएटली. तो इट इज समथिंग, वो बहुत ज्यादा सेम है, उसकी सिचुएशन, दोनों की सिचुएशन बहुत सेम है. इमीडिएटली, बहुत कम समय में, राइट? मतलब पता भी नहीं चला और कोई चीज हो गई. सो यू कैन यूज दिस फ्रेज इन नो टाइम और एट द ड्रॉप ऑफ अ हैट, आप दोनों भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Come on, any sentence. कैसे यार, आप लोग किस तरीके
Okay,
से
ma'am.
बिहेव करते हो? You guys are here to learn and you guys are not giving me sentences.
At yesterday, a car collided with a bike.
Collided.
Ma'am, a car collided with a bike. A man was died in no time.
हाँ, you can use this phrase there.
Yesterday, I have completed the project in no time.
I had.
Yeah, but ma'am, I used yesterday, so can I use had with yesterday?
Yeah. See, had
Yes.
doesn't depend on the yesterday, today. Even for today also you can use the had there. The situation depends कि when his importance, his existence has been finished, right? उसकी existence जो है वो खत्म कर दी गई है. अगर वो project आपने बना के submit कर दिया है, तो वो उसकी जो time limit है या उसका जो एक impact है वो खत्म हो गया है. So then we use that had plus verb third form there.
Okay.
I had washed my cloth in no time.
वाह. Okay, keep one's eye on.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. किसी पर नजर बनाए रखना, मैम.
नजर बनाए रखना. Keep your eye on him, right? Like this. Kill two birds with one stone.
एक तीर से दो शिकार वो
एक तीर
phrases
से
है ना?
दो शिकार.
एक तीर से दो निशाने.
Kill two
दो
birds
निशाने.
with one stone. Make my blood boil.
मेरे
मेरे
मंटू
खून को
अच्छा
मत करो,
so you're
मतलब
going
मतलब
to
गर्म किया,
मेरा
मतलब
दिमाग
गुस्सा
मत
दिलाना एक
खाओ।
तरीके से,
okay use this
गुस्सा।
sentence हम use करते हैं क्या, like in which situation you're going to use this phrase?
Yes ma'am, don't try to make my blood
Yes, when you
boil.
wanna say that, no, आप जब वो sentence simple sentence बोलोगे कि don't make me angry, right? तो उसकी जगह instead of using this word, you can use this phrase there. Don't make my blood boil. Don't make my blood boil.
Yes ma'am.
Whenever जैसे कि क्या होता है कभी कभी एक इंसान होता है बहुत annoying होता है when in your office somewhere else whenever he
Yes
comes,
ma'am.
yes, whenever he comes around you, no, so it makes your blood boil, it makes your his existence around you makes your blood boil, right? I really hate him whenever he comes in front of me, no, it makes my blood boil, it makes my blood boil. So like this you can use this phrase there. So is there any
Yes
situation in
ma'am.
your life? Is there any incident? Is there any person who, whenever it happens, whenever it occurs, so it makes your blood boil? Yeah.
There are many times ma'am.
Okay. Keep your head above water.
अपना सर पानी से बाहर रखो।
नहीं,
और यार,
to keep
How you're going to use it? I mean, you are in a particular situation where you want to say somebody that, okay, so just save that much that you can survive. Study that much and
yes,
perform that much that you can survive and you can save your job, you can save money or something like that. मतलब आप किसी चीज में डूबते जा रहे हैं, आपकी कोई चीज खत्म हो रही है, going to run out of something, so you're saying that कि at least इतना तो बचा लेना, save that much that you can survive or save that much that you can you will be alive, और इस तरीके से आप सिचुएशन को यूज करते हैं, right?
yes ma'am.
Come on, any situation?
he worked hard to keep head above water.
To keep his head above water. Yes, he
Keep,
worked
yes, yes.
so hard. He worked
He
so
worked
hard
so
to keep
hard.
his head above water. He got one. He got a warning from his boss that if he what if he does not complete his work on time, so he would be fired from the company. So he tried hard to keep his head above water, and he worked whole night, and he burnt the midnight oil for some days. He burnt the midnight oil for some days. What is the meaning of to burn midnight oil?
Midnight oil.
मिनरल आधी रात का पानी में।
टू बर्न द
Can you
मिडनाइट
please?
ऑयल मीन्स कि बहुत मेहनत करना किसी चीज के लिए। आप जब आपकी एग्जाम होती है तो आप दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं, पूरे दिन पढ़ते रहते हैं, राइट? और या फिर आपको कोई
Yes,
प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है, सो यू वर्क हार्ड, यू आई मीन you're मोर बिजी लाइक राइट देन अदर डेज। आप दूसरे दिनों से ज्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं उन दिनों में। So you burn the midnight oil to get something done, to achieve something, right? Or to give your best in your job, to give your best in your exams. So you can use this phrase there, to burn the midnight oil. So he burnt the midnight oil for some days to keep his head above water or to save, like आप इसको दूसरी तरीके से इसका मतलब है सिचुएशन आपको पता है, टू पीपल नो दैट कि व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन, कि उसको अपनी जॉब बचानी है तो उसने बहुत मेहनत की है, आप लोगों को पता है सिचुएशन, तो आप ये रिपीट नहीं कर रहे हो टू सेव हिज जॉब, यू आर इनडायरेक्टली सेइंग दैट कि he burnt the midnight oil to save his job, he burnt the midnight oil to keep his head above water.
Hello.
Ma'am,
yes.
Uh,
Yep. Any sentence you want to give me here? Or like, see, you know all the ways to use could form, like what are the ways to use could, or you can ask me, like the topic is there could. If you already know that what are the ways to use could, so I don't want to waste your time. We can move on to other topic. We can work out on the other things. But if you don't know all the ways to use could, so you can tell me, we can just go on that. We can go through this for once quickly. Okay, think about it. We are running out of time now. You're right. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. And I'll come with ski what will be the best ways to give your presentation. And I'll give you some tips also. I'll give you some suggestions also. I'll give you some guidance also Next time when you're giving presentation, which kind of things you need to add in your presentation and which kind of things you need to avoid in your presentation to make your presentation and your speaking more effective and impressive. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So guys,
Okay,
these are the
ma'am.
words and phrases. We are not going to leave these words and phrases like this. हम इसको इस तरीके से मत छोड़िए. I suggest you कि work out on them, make some sentences on these words and phrases. Then only you're going to use these words and phrases. You will become familiar with that. ठीक है? चलिए guys. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Yes,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, bye, ma'am.